Hello. See, it looks like mathematics because it's written here numbers. But today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page 4. The topic is number actually. Here, see, it's written 1. Here, 1 dot 1, 2 dot 2, 3 dot, it is called 3, 4 dot 4, 5 dot 5. Here it is the word and number also. 6, SIX6, 7. There are 8 dots, so that's why 8, 9 dots, 9, 10 dots, 10. So after 10, what is called? See, 1 and 10, it's called 11. 2 and 10, it's called 12. It also called dozen. 3 and 10, it's called 13. 14, 4 and 10, it's called 14. 15, 5 and 10, that is called 15. 6 and 10, it's called 16. 7 and 10, it's called 17. 8 and 10, it's called 18. And 9 and 10, it's called 19. So in all the places, in one side it's written in number, and after that it is written in word here also. So after reading this, we will do one exercise here. See, it's written, fill each space with right words. So easily we can do. There are 3 cats, 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3, THREE, 3 cats. So if you don't know the spelling here, it is written. You should memorize it for your future life. You should memorize, nothing to do. So here 3. In next place, flowers. How many flowers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we will write in word 8 flowers. EIGHT, 8 flowers. In this place, trees. How many trees are here? 1, 2. So we will write here 2, TWO, 2 trees. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 eggs, so we'll write here 10. How many bottles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bottles. So we will write in word 7, SEVEN, 7 bottles. So there are another exercise. Let's do that one. Here the question is told, copy these sentences, answer the questions and fill in the blanks. Which word means 3 and 10? I think you have already got the answer. After that, if somebody wants to see, so I can show you, that is 3 and 10 is called 13. So in this place, we will write what? We'll write 13. THIRTEEN. 13. Write the word for 19. Spelling 19. If you didn't memorize yet, so now see and try to memorize that one. 19. NINETEEN. Teen. In all the places, teen spelling is same. TEEN. Just before it you will put 9. Then it will be 19. So let's write here 19. 19. That is 1 less than 12. What is 12 before 12? We know that is 11. So we will write here 11. William is 14 years old. He will be this next birthday. So now he is 14. After 14, we know the number. That is what? That is 15. So next year he will be in 15 years. So you will write here 15. Write the words for the 4 even numbers between 11 and 19. What are the words? Let's write in this place. First one is 12. Second one, 14. Third one, 16. And last one is, fourth one is 18. Hope you have understood today's topic. I think you have already known this thing from mathematics, but if you find some problem in this place, now you can learn this, because you cannot think your future life without this. So I want to stop here for today. I will meet with you another day with another topic, and that topic is verbs, page number 5.